Do you want to see what I'm going to do with these palettes? Keep watching because this could be a fail project. I am going to use only eyeshadow to create a complete full face makeup look. If you want to see if this thing is a nail it, a fail it, a disaster, keep watching because I am here to have some fun with some eyeshadow palette and see what comes out of it. This could be a disaster. Watch me transform this entire face with just eyeshadow. I am going to use eyeshadow for brows, eyeshadow for cheeks, eyeshadow for lips, eyeshadow as base. Keep watching if you want to see how this thing turned out. Now I'm ready to transform this look all eyeshadow. I use the e.l.f. primer already on my face. I am going to take the Queen of Hearts by Colored Rain, this palette right here, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and that's going to be my base. I will do some of it so you can see, and the rest I will have to do it off camera. I'm applying my base. I have a small sponge and I'm just going to dab it in place. And then I'll take a brush and buff it all together. All eyeshadows today for this look. I have the first shade on. This shade right here is my base. Now I need to do under my eye, brighten up under my eye. I'm going to use this sponge. I'm going into this color right here and I'm going to put that under my eyes. I don't know what it's going to look like, but that's what we are here for. We are going to see if this thing comes out as I nailed it. This is under my eye. I do the second one. I'm brightening it up. So I'm using a lighter eyeshadow. Watch me transform this full face with just eyeshadow. So far, how am I doing? This is the brightening. We'll take care of everything else as we do. So far, that's 2 shades. I'm going in with the same brush I used to apply the base. I'm going to use this shade right here, the darker brown. I'm going to use that as my bronzer. I don't know how dark it is, but we will find out. This is going to be interesting. All eyeshadows to create a full face makeup look. Some of the tones are just right, some are not, but we will fix it. See my bronzer? I'm gonna take it and bronze right here and right here. You see it? Contour, turn into bronzer. I contour and then I just sweep it up. I'm going to use that same shade right here. So far, this is 3 eyeshadow shades that we have used. One for my base, one for my contour bronzer, and one for the lightening under my eye. Everything I'll blend in the end. I'm just placing stuff where they belong and then I will blend at the end. The same powder I use under my eye, I'm going to use it in the middle of my nose, just to give me a little bit of light. And also in the middle of my forehead. This is all eyeshadow. No powder, no concealer, no foundation. just eyeshadow. So you see, I gave myself a little highlight just where I want it. To prevent myself from using a lot of brushes, I have my brush swatch here. I'll just clean it up. And now I'm going to put blush. Remember, everything will be blended in the end. Now I need blush. I'm going into this Juvia's Place palette. And I'm using the same brush. I'm going right here into this shade right here. Very pretty. I mean, it's an eyeshadow, but I can see it as a nice blush. And I am just going to put this as my blush. Eyeshadow only makeup look. If you have an idea, a suggestion, let me know in the comments, okay? This is so pretty. You see the difference? I love blush on my cheeks. See how pretty that blush look? Now, I'm gonna go in this orange right here and I'm going to put it closer to under my eyes just to break up all that red we have going on. There's a lot of red in these eyeshadows. So I'm breaking it up. This is looking so good. I am loving it. Okay, so far I have the base, the blush, the contour, the bronzer, the highlighter on my skin. Now we're gonna do eyeshadow. I want something smoky. The Juvia's Place. I'm going into the Juvia's Place palette again. A different brush. I'm going into this shade right here because I want to create something smoky, but I'm not quite sure yet. I should have done my my transition first, but that's okay. I like this color so far. This palette is old and it is still performing good. That's a nice dark brown. That is pretty. That's a pretty brown. I couldn't use it for base. It would be too dark. But this is all eyeshadow. Everything I'm using today is eyeshadow. And you'll see how this look comes out. Let me know if it's a fail, if it's a dud. Just let me know. Let me know what you think. I'm going into my Milani palette and I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to put it in the brow bone. Don't worry, we'll be blending everything. Everything will get blended out. Right now, we're just placing everything in place. And then I will blend and I will set it with some setting spray because I want it to last me all day. Now I brighten up the brow bone. For eyeshadow, I am torn. I am gonna go in this Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to take the peach right here. It's a nice shimmer peach. It's very light. It looks like it has a shift to it. And I'll put it on my eyes. I think I want to use more than one shimmer. So I will see how that works out. I will go as far as here since I am thinking of another shimmer. My next shade is going to be from this palette by Juvia's Place. And the color I'm going to use is this Deep Plum. I'm going to use it in the outer corner. I think it's a shimmer. It feels like a shimmer because I want to darken that outer corner. Yeah, it is a nice little shimmer. Soft, nothing big, bad, bold. I'm going to use this black eyeshadow and this brush for my brows. Everything is eyeshadow today. Remember, I'll do all the blending. I just want you to see the layout. For lips, I am going into this shade right here from this palette by Juvia's Bliss. I have now transformed my complete face look with only eyeshadow. Only eyeshadow face look. No powder, no concealer, no foundation. Only eyeshadow. Base, lips, cheeks, eyes, everything. Brows. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyeshadow palette to create a complete look. Today's I am God's masterpiece designed with purpose and significance. I am God's masterpiece designed with purpose and significance. You are God's purpose and you were designed with purpose and significance. Never ever doubt yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Others are doubting you. You should have more faith in you than other people have faith in you. Because when things are falling apart, you need to know that you have your back. When the world is against you, you should know that you are with you and not against you. I love you dearly. Please share this video. It was fun creating this look with these eyeshadow palette. Bye.